Sheysaint, and let's get back into this braiding tutorial, this braiding video. I'm pretty much using the same products that I used in my previous video. I will be listing that video in the description down below, so if you have not watched it, just go right ahead and watch it. Also guys, I'm gonna be doing simple braids in his hair today. I'm just gonna be doing 4 braids, really cute, really simplistic, so stay tuned through the video and watch it. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. I really appreciate my new Snapchat followers. It always feels good to feel like you're doing something right. But just stay continued and watch and see these braids. So I only have one more braid to go after I'm done braiding this braid down, and then he'll be all done. Also guys, all the details will be in the description box down below.